Hello friends, welcome to the session. In last session, we learned about create React app folder structure, and in this session we will learn about making components in React and how we can reuse those components. So let's get started. So today I will be making one person component which will hold person name and person age. So to make a component, let's make a function called person. So always remember, while making React component, we must use capital starting in the name of function, in the name of component. So this will return some multi-line JSX. Let's return a div with class name person. This will have one h2 with person name, and this will have one paragraph with age. Let's say his age is 15. So this person is not used currently. We can use it here. JSX made custom tag for this component, so we can use it like this. So now let's edit this hello world as persons list, and let's see our result. So you can see certain styling being applied to this component. That is because I have written some CSS already. The scope of this course is not to teach CSS, but you can get this CSS from assets. So now we have made a component, right? But how to reuse it? Like if this now currently holding static person name, static person age. I want to show 5 person list. Now how to reuse this same component to do so? So for that we can use some method called props. So what is props? We will learn more about props in coming session. So for now, just understand that props is something that will grab all the attributes of this custom component. So like if I said here name is equal to John Doe and age is equal to 15, then what happen is this props will get this name and age, and we can access those name and age here. Just open a JavaScript, write props dot name, and in age write props dot props dot age. So this will make this component dynamic. Now here is Zondo age 15, right? And let's see, here is Zondo age 15. Now similarly we can just copy this person and paste it 2-4 times, and we can write Zondo 3, or we can make it zone as well, age 25, 35 and 50. Now when we see this, we will have zone, Zondo 2, Zondo 3, zone. See, now we are reusing the same component again and again with dynamic name and ages. So this is how we can reuse components in React. So that's all for this session. In next session we will be managing our folders. We will be making another component folder where we will put this function, and we will learn about importing and exporting from different files. So thank you for watching.